I am still here, just not been uploading any videos in a few months, but I've been doing little bits here and there. I wanted to show you some of the stuff that I've done in this video. It's going to be a short one, I know I say that all the time, but I'm going to show you some of the bits I'm doing now and that I've done, just so you know where I am in the progress. This van still ain't finished, and it will probably be 2 years of just doing bits and bobs, but it's getting there slowly. So the vinyl stickers have now just got on to the doors, and I've put tape on the edges to stop like the fraying of it quickly, and I've also taped inside there. I was looking at getting some rubber like grommet sort of things to see if they fit there, but a lot of palaver, maybe in the future build maybe, but the tape there's doing the job, and it'll stop the wear and tear. I've done this one as well, but you can see like it doesn't stick perfectly when you put the joins in, or you put it around the edges, so that's why I'm sort of sellotaping around. I wish I'd wrapped the entire drawer front and back and not like that. No one sees the back, but it would have looked a bit neater overall. Them ones are done, but I'm going to tape all the edges and the holes inside that one as well, so then that's all done. Just been measuring these up and cutting these to shape to put them in these corners, and then we're going to have a front rail coming across just to hold stuff in here a bit more and support this. This is a bit thin and it's only got pins and they're starting to fray. Other little jobs, we've got some new lights to go in if I get time, little mini mirrors, we've got an iPad or tablet stand, we've got another drawer, or what do you call this thing, storage. We've got a toilet roll holder which I'm turning into a hat rack, and then we've put this one up on the back door, a little bit of extra storage, and you can still lay down, your head sort of sits around about here, so that's no big issue. And then I've carpeted this with all the offcuts, little tiny bits, and I've just pieced them together like a puzzle. That was messy, you can see the effects here. That one of the cans, the nozzle was broke, so as soon as I opened it, it went it's constantly spraying, so I had to put that inside a bin and just leave it to self-spray till it run out. Crazy. Yes, we've also got some blinds coming next week, especially made for this van, so you can have more privacy. So that's being done by a company called Campval or Campbell, I can't remember now. They're a Sittingbourne based company, and I'm still looking at sorting out the cushions for the van, custom cut and stuff, but it is over 500 quid, so I'm and ahhing with all this. And that's it really, that's everything. The Jackery lives here at the moment, and the chopping board lives there. But I'll carry on the rest of these bits. I'll show you a bit more what I've been doing when I finish it all. Again, it's nothing major, it's all little bits and bobs. The hat rack I think might go here somewhere. That's a wonderful shot, isn't it? So these are the boards that originally look like that, you can know that. And what I'm doing is I've just put a wood effect vinyl sticker over it that pierce the holes, and I'm going to tape inside there, tape the edges just so it stops all this sort of loose fray bits. Doesn't look as pretty. I'm just taping this in now. You can't really see it unless you look close, but it should help as well maybe with the sliding inside the drawers, because it's really smooth and it will stop the fraying of the vinyl as fast, and the peeling. So I think it'll look alright. Looks nice, isn't it, that effect? It's quite cool. Here they are. Try and zoom out a bit. So, and they've just got that vinyl sticker, tape on the edges here, so obviously that gets rubbing, and the rubbing at the top there and down. There's tape around this bit, which if you go right on it at an angle, you probably see the reflection. Passing view, that tape over here. There's tape here which you can see, but it's not the worst, but I actually might tape over that bit with some more tape. The other bit we've done today is these. I'll put a picture up, but these were all ripped off, like worn away. and these are new as well. These rubber edges. This was the worst one. This was all ripped around here, but now they've just been finished off. Some vinyl from Amazon, really cheap. It's like £6, I think, £7. Get like a metre roll. Right, middle shelf is on. How do we do it? We got some Gorilla Glue. I put 2 beams, well, I don't know what you call them, 2 bits of wood. One there, one there. I glued to this side, to that side, up and side, clamped them, and then I drilled a screw from the side in and down and in. The middle shelf also rests on a bit of wood that's already attached, so it can't fall. Then I cut this to size and just screwed that on. That's now gave me a more secure middle shelf. Bottom shelf is secure, top and bottom for bigger items. I've got a light under here as well, so you'll get a nice light effect coming down. So that's now done. And then I've decided I'm going to put the last of my black. These, one's going to sit here, and it actually sits just behind my head without my head touching it. Like my head is here, back's here, and there's like a neck space, and I don't lean on it. And then I'm going to mount the tablet stand either here, so it pulls out to about there, or I'm going to mount it in between those two things on that door, as long as the door still opens, and then it pulls out there, and then you'll be sitting here looking that way. I was going to mount it here, but then I thought it keeps knocking that light. I can rest the iPad here anyway on its stand, so it'd just be a waste, I think. So I can either have it here as a desk or on a stand, or on the side if I'm actually in lay down mode. So that's what I've done today. The sellotape on the doors is coming off, and yeah, I should have guessed that really with the heat and stuff, so I need another solution for that. But that's it. That's the current changes I've done. I will do another video next week actually, so I've got another thing that I'll be adding to the van for sort of privacy, which will open up the old van again as well. The old curtain design has been rechanged, and I think next week I'm gonna carpet this off, that little gap, and if there's any carpet left over, finish these sides in the top, and then we'll get to installing these 2 lights. So with that, there should be enough lights. I mean, I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lights, plus that one if I needed to, but I won't use that because that runs off the main battery. Yeah, and the Jackery will sit here when I'm parked up, and I can use that as my wall outlet for charging stuff. It can also be connected up to this little gap here where there's a cigarette lighter, so I can charge it while driving. I can even leave it here when I'm driving, so it's secure there. Run a 12 volt from there into there and charge it in there while I'm driving as well, or just put it in the front. There's multiple options, so I'm happy with that. So I was trying to think where is a good location for it, but it's mobile, it doesn't have to be fixed. Have it there, or in the front, or out with me. Yeah, so that's it. Little changes. Started doing some AI work, like data annotation. So if that actually works and pays, it means I've got a couple of trips I can plan where I can actually go off work for 3 to 5 hours doing that from somewhere, as long as I got internet, and then see some new places. So I could do some little trips now in the van. We still haven't got the cushions. Don't know what I'm doing with that. Quoted 580 odd quid. We'll see if that's doable, if we make any money from data annotation and the channel. Yeah, I'll show you the rest of this when it's done. There'll be a few more videos coming out with little bits I'm adding before I do like a further tour. Any suggestions for the sellotape? It hasn't worked. It's annoying, but it is what it is for now. Oh, we've got another light here as well to put somewhere. Not one of them battery lights to stick somewhere. Yeah. Anyway, that's the update. I'll see you all soon.